Hello children, let us start today's class, 10th class polynomials. We are going to talk about division algorithm. Before going to talk about it, let us have a small discussion about your today's thought. Every lock has a key. What do you mean by this? You know that. You open the lock by a key. Every lock has its key. But let us compare that key and lock with the problem that we are facing. If lock is a problem, definitely there will be a key, that is a solution. Remember that very well. Every lock has got a key, means every problem has a solution. A bunch of keys are given to you and they are asking you to find out the key for it. For the lock, a lock is given. Then the intelligent people, what they do, they search for the number and they open it very easily. But those who don't know that concept, they will be keeping on doing one by one after the other. But we cannot say that they don't know anything or they are unable to do it. They are lesser than the person who has done it quickly. The main difference between the person who has done it quickly and the other one who is searching for the key is only the thing is lack of experience, lack of analysis, lack of observation. So if you are observing your surroundings properly, if you are analyzing it properly, if you are understanding the concepts given by your teachers properly, and observe, see children, when you are listening in the class, it is not just sitting and looking at the teacher, observing, just seeing what is written on the board and copying in your notebook is not the thing. You should have that analytical thought. How is it happened? Why is it happened? If you keep on questioning your mind like that, if you get a doubt, you can ask the teacher, clarify your doubt. That is how you can get benefit of your studies. Usually what students will do, they just simply sit just to listen. Please don't sit in your classroom just to listen. Sit in your classroom to observe, to analyze, to learn. These concepts, if you keep it in mind, and if you are sitting in the classroom as an observer, you learn more. Just think about it or you try to do it, you will get the things. When you observe how the people are getting success by doing certain things and analyze it, understand what is the problem and how are they solving, definitely you also will get solution for your problems, because you have been analyzing it, you have understood how to train your mind to search for a solution for a problem. So think like this, live like this children, then in your whole life you will never get a failure. Let us come back to our studies. This is about division algorithm. What is division algorithm? This you have been doing it from your lower classes. Division algorithm says dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This you know pretty well. Now here the dividend will be P of x and the divisor will be G of x and into quotient will be Q of x, remainder will be R of x. So P of x is equal to G of x into Q of x plus R of x. This is your division algorithm. So the problems that you are dealing with are just to divide and verify. Now we will see this example 8 that is given to you. Example 8. 8 is divide. What is that they have given? Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. Actually it should be verified. So let us divide it. X plus 2 division 2x square plus 3x plus 1. When you are dividing, I told you children, go for this first value what is given in the polynomial. First thing you see whether they are in an order. They are in an order, so no need to worry. Take 2x square, divide it by x. How much you are getting? 2x. Write that 2x. Then take x plus 2 and multiply by 2x. That is what you are getting? 2x square plus 4x. So you write 2x square plus 4x. So when you subtract, these two will get cancelled, minus x plus 1. So take minus x divided by x, you are getting minus 1. So minus 1 you take. So this is x plus 2, x plus 2 into minus 1. That is minus x minus 2. So I will be writing minus x minus 2. So minus becomes plus, and here you are getting 3. So this is the division, children. When 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 2, you have got quotient as 2x minus 1 and the dividend is, the remainder is 3. This is what we have got. Now let us go for verification. The verification. So when you go for verification, what is verification? Go for p of x first. What is p of x? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is p of x. Now g of x into q of x plus remainder r of x. What is g of x? X, this is equal to x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 plus remainder is 3. That is equal to, take 2x minus 1 multiply by x plus 2, 2x square minus x plus 4x minus 2, 2x square plus 3x minus 2, you will be getting 2x square plus 3x minus 2 plus 3. So that means 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So what you have got? P of x value you have got by taking g of x multiplied by q of x plus r of x. So thus verified. You have verified it. This is how the verification has done. This is division rule, children. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is not a new one. You have been doing right from lower classes. So as far as polynomials is considered, dividend will be always p of x, divisor will be g of x, and quotient will be q of x, and remainder will be r of x. Please copy this. I will go to the next topic, next example. Now we will see example 9. So example 9, this is divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. So you have got p of x in an order only, x 3, 2, 1 and constant term. But here g of x is not constant, it is not an order. So first we have to write it in order and do it. So 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by x square plus 2x plus 1. So I got first x square, then 2x plus 2x plus 1. Now again 3x cube by x square. How much you are getting? 3x. So take 3x here, and then x square plus 2x plus 1 should be multiplied by 3x. So how much you are getting? 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. So write down that here. 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. So subtract. These two will get cancelled. Minus 5x square minus x plus 5 you are getting. So take minus 5x square and divided by x square. You are getting minus 5. Take minus 5. So you have to multiply x square plus 2x plus 1 with minus 5. Minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. So minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. So when you are changing the signs, what are you getting? These two will get cancelled. 9x plus 10 you are getting. This 9x plus 10 is a reminder. How to identify whether we need to continue it or we need to stop. One thing is the degree of the remainder should be less than degree of the g of x. So here the degree is 2, here the degree is 1. So you cannot proceed your division, because when you need to proceed, you will be getting in a denominator variable. If the variable is there in denominator, you cannot consider it as a polynomial. So you have to stop it here. Where you are getting the degree of the polynomial which you are getting is less than the degree of the polynomial of g of x, then you should stop dividing. So this is how we have done this problem. Division is this much. Now when you are going to go for verification, because here in the problem they have not given, but sometimes in the examination they will ask you divide and verify. So I will be doing that verification, children. Let us see for verification. The verification is, we know that p of x should be equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So p of x, what you have got? 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now go for g of x into q of x plus r of x. This is equal to, what is g of x? X square plus 2x plus 1. This should be multiplied by q of x, 3x minus 5 plus r of x, 9x plus 10. So this we need to do. So this is equal to, so when you multiply these two, let us multiply in the, you need to do it in the rough column, children. When you multiply 3x into x square, 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x minus 5x square minus 10x minus 5. So what I am getting? 3x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 5. This is what I have got. So 3x cube plus x square minus 7x minus 5 plus r of x. What is r of x? 9x plus 10. So let me simplify this. 3x cube plus x square minus 7x plus 9x becomes plus 2x minus 5 plus 10 plus 5. See children, we have got both of them as same. Therefore, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x, g of x into q of x plus r of x. You have got them same, thus verified. You have verified even division algorithm also, because in the examination they will ask you divide and verify. So I hope it is clear children. Please copy. Now we will go to example. Next example. It is actually essay type question children. You will be getting in the examination. Please carefully observe it. So example 10. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and verify. So here he has given children. This type you can get any problem. So for right from the beginning I am doing. So here the divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. So p of x is not given in an order. So let us put it in an order. Means degree, highest degree first. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 should be divided by, this is also is not in an order, minus x square plus x minus 1. So when you are taking them, be careful along with the signs children. If you take only x square leaving minus, your problem will go wrong. For every variable you know that the sign is on the left side. So when you are carrying x square first, what you need to do? Carry it along with its sign. So now you have to get minus x cube by x square, minus x square. These two will get cancelled. You are getting x and take x, multiply it. Only with x, so directly we can do, this is minus x cube plus x square minus x. So plus minus plus, these two will get cancelled. 2x square minus 2x plus 5 you have got. So again you take 2x square and divided by minus x square. So you will be getting minus 2. Take minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2 x square. So if you have a doubt, you can go like this children, so that you will not do any mistake. Minus into minus plus 2x square minus into plus minus 2 into x, 2x minus into minus plus 2. So write down that 2x square minus 2x plus 2. So you will be changing the signs. These two will get cancelled. You have got 3. So 3 is the remainder. This is a dividend, divisor, quotient. So let us verify. They have asked you not only to divide but also verify. So let us verify. Now when you are going for verification, p of x. What is p of x? Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. And you know that g of x into q of x plus r of x is equal to, g of x is minus x square plus x minus 1 into q of x minus 2 plus r of x is 3. So, first we will take minus x square plus x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 2. How much? Plus into minus minus x cube plus x square minus x minus into minus plus 2x square plus into plus minus 2x plus 2. So, I am getting minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 2. So, minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 2 plus remainder is 3. So, what am I getting? Minus x square plus minus x cube minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 3 is 5. See, you have got both of them are same. Therefore, what you are getting? P of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Thus, verified. You have verified your division, children, in that way. So, I hope you have understood it. Please copy it. Now, example 11. They are saying that find all zeros. Find all zeros of 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if root 2 and minus root 2 are zeros. They have given two zeros, children, and they are asking you to find out other zeros. See, P of x is, this is 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. That means what? The polynomial degree is 4. If the polynomial degree is 4, it should have 4 factors. And they have given 4 factors and 4 zeros. They have given 2 zeros. Each factor will give you 1 zero. So, if they have given 2 zeros, so remaining 2 zeros we need to find out. So, zeros are considered as alpha and beta. Already I have told you earlier. So, take alpha as 2 and beta as minus 2. Therefore, what you can say? The factors are x plus root 2 and x minus root 2. These are the factors. So, we know that x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 is equal to x whole square minus root 2 whole square, that is x square minus 2. So, this is, let us divide this with this polynomial, that is 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square minus 6x minus 2 should be divided by x square minus 2. So, 2x to the power of 4 by x square means you are getting 2x square. So, with 2x square you have to multiply 2x to the power of 4 plus into minus minus 4x square. So, x square I should write below x square. Now, when I change the signs, minus 3x cube plus x square minus 6x minus 2. You are sorry, the problem is plus 6x. So plus 6x minus 2. Now take minus 3x cube and divided by x square. So you will be getting minus 3x. So minus 3x I am taking. So x square minus 2 should be multiplied by minus 3x. So minus 3x cube plus 6x I am getting. So minus 3x cube plus 6x. So what am I getting? Plus here, minus here. These two will get cancelled. X square minus 2. Now x square, the same values you have got. So take plus 1 children. So that you will be getting x square minus 2. So both will be getting cancelled. 0 is the remainder. So this is the division part. What we did? We have taken the two zeros. We have converted zeros into factors. We have multiplied the factors to get g of x. After getting g of x, we have divided to get q of x. Now we got q of x. Now we need to find out the other two zeros. How? By splitting the middle term. See, this is a quadratic function. This is 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is considered as a quadratic function. Now quadratic function can be split. We can get two factors from quadratic function by splitting the middle term. So let me take 2x square minus 3x plus 1. If I split the middle term, see, this is 2x square means minus 2x minus 1. So if I take 2x square and get two factors, minus 2x minus x, minus into minus plus 2x square I am getting. If I add, I am getting minus 3x. So 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 I am taking. So here 2x is common, x minus 1 minus 1 into x minus 1. That means 2x minus 1 and x minus 1 are factors. If 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Therefore, what is that he is asking? Find all the zeros. So, zeros. Therefore, zeros of p of x. What are they? One they have given root 2. Another one also they have given minus root 2. And we have found out one as 1 by 2. And the next one is 1. These are the answers. Two answers they have already given. So you have determined the other two values, children. So to root 2 minus root 2 and then 1 by 2 and 1 are the zeros. So remember this children, this type of problem is very important. When they have given you the zeros, with the zeros should be converted into factors, multiply them to get the g of x. That g of x you divide this p of x. You will be getting a quotient, definitely remainder will be 0. Because we know that they are zeros means definitely they are the factors. Then you definitely will be getting a quadratic function. This quadratic function, by splitting the middle term, you will be getting two factors and take those two factors and convert them into zeros. You will be getting the answer. This is very, very important, children, this type of sums. So 4 examples I have taught today. Remaining I will teach in the next class.